In a continued effort to marginalize the majority community in occupied Kashmir, BJP-led Indian government has dismissed 6 more Kashmiri employees in the territory. The terminated employees include 5 policemen and a teacher. The Indian authorities justified the dismissals by alleging ties to the freedom movement. Since the illegal revocation of occupied Kashmir's special status in August 2019, Modi regime has dismissed dozens of the government employees on the trumped-up charges. Simultaneously, New Delhi has significantly increased the employment opportunities for the non-state subjects, further disenfranchising the local Kashmiri population. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, reiterated the call for the Kashmiris to observe 5th August as Yom-e-Istihsal and Black Day, marking the 5th anniversary of India's illegal abrogation of Article 370. This move, Minhas denounced, was a calculated conspiracy to alter the territory's demographic makeup. Senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq, addressing a gathering in Srinagar, expressed grave concern over the plight of the Kashmiri political prisoners, including the Hurriyat leaders, languishing across various jails of occupied Kashmir and India. He criticized the ongoing arrest despite repeated appeals for the release of already detained people. The Mirwais highlighted the deplorable conditions in the Indian prisons, particularly in the Tihar jail, where the prisoners endure a lack of the medical care, extreme heat, and overcrowded barracks, exacerbating their sufferings.